Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can remove close accounts from Equifax credit report. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Review your credit report for errors. Review your credit reports from all three major CRAs, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Look for closed accounts that are outdated, contain incorrect information, or are reporting as unpaid when they shouldn't be. Step 2. Dispute inaccurate information. If you find errors, you can dispute them under the FCRA. You can dispute directly with the credit reporting agencies by providing them with documentation that proves the error. Keep in mind, they have 30 days to investigate and resolve your dispute. Step 3. Send a letter to remove closed accounts from credit report. One of the most effective ways to remove closed accounts is by sending a formal dispute letter to each of the CRAs. Below is a sample letter you can use to dispute inaccurate or unfair closed accounts on your credit report with the three major CRAs. Step 4. Follow up with the credit reporting agencies. Once you've sent your letters, follow up if you don't hear back within 30 days. Make sure you're tracking all correspondence and documenting every step you take. Step 5. Work with a consumer law attorney. If your disputes are ignored or not resolved to your satisfaction, it's time to consult with a consumer law attorney. They can assist with escalating the issue or filing a lawsuit if the credit reporting agencies fail to comply with the FCRA.